Hi lovelies, it's Ethany and we have got The Witch's Moon as well. I'm not sure whether you're going to be watching this one first or The Witch's Bounty, but The Witch's Moon for July has arrived and it is heavy. There is some goodness in here. I can just feel it in my witchy bones. It has got a good amount of weight to this one. Yeah, like I could do like, and 1 and 2, get witchy, get fit, get weird. I'm definitely witchy and weird. Fit, I'm not like unfit, but I couldn't run a marathon. That's like, but I can walk for a really. I'm like a dwarf, you know, on Lord of the Rings, and he's like Gimli's like running, and he's like, we dwarves are not made for sprints. We're made for long, like, you know, like that endurance of the long thing. That's me. So anyway, getting back on track. The Witch's Moon is here for July. I'm very excited to see what is in here. You know, this is, like I said, it's got a good amount of heft to it, and it always smells amazing. So let's switch over the camera and get to see what is inside the Witch's Moon for July 2019. Hi lovely ones, so I'm back because I forgot. I'm going to blame Mercury in retrograde. I forgot that I was doing my face on these videos now, so I'm back with the Witch's Box and Witch's Moon, and we're going to go through this together now. So I apologize for that, lovely ones. I'm a bit of a wally, but I kind of forgot a little bit. Uh-oh. Coochie dropped his bone. Here you go, sweetie. It's not really a bone. He's not really meant to have bones as a puppy. It's a chew thing. Okay. This is a Lucy Cavendish card. Okay, so this is the card. I always look at this first. Again, so funny. Every single month, as I mentioned, there is this huge synchronicity with these cards and what I'm working on, like every single fucking month. And this is no different. It's abundance. This is the magical spell cards, I believe. I love the back of them. I don't have them. I just know of them. Abundance, funny as heck, because this month, the Awakened Soul Coven, which is my active working coven, is working with the goddess Lakshmi, who is the goddess of abundance and prosperity for the Hindu pantheon. And I get the abundance card. Hello, yes, fucking please. Goddess of abundance divine, let me thrive, let fortune be mine. So I have got a abundance altar that we made this month for the coven. P.S. It's always open to new members. And I'm going to put this on it. It's going to go inside I can't believe it. Every single month. Usually I put them on my main altar, but this one's going into my abundance altar. And that purple, we all know how much I love purple. Oh my gosh. Who am I? Fiona from fucking Shrek? Well, so this box is the Lunar Magic box. I'm not going to take too much of a look at this. We'll go through it later because I like to be surprised. We have Selene artwork, Goddess of the Moon. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And we have element water, celestial influence and moon colors, white, black and blue, stone, selenite, moonstone, amazonite, aquamarine, which I'm wearing, a howlite, labradorite, larimar. There's lots. Botanicals, jasmine, oh, one of my favorites. Animals, horse, white bull cow, horned animals, Artemis Astarte, Bassets, Diana Epona. Oh, there's lots of, that's gorgeous. The artwork every month takes my breath away, and I've now got 2 full books full of these. Such a wonderful way to build your grimoire. Like me, I have got grimoires and books of shadows and magical books and spell books. I can't find it, Pooch. You're going to have to wait. I think it's like I'm right in the middle of my chair. Oh, I'm sorry. From the million years I've been doing the craft. But I've become a lot busier now that I'm a mama. And so it's nice to have something that I can create to keep building my grimoires. It's all right, darling. Oh, my little Poochie. I know you want your bone. I don't know where it went, sweetheart. Without, the time, because it can get a little bit difficult. And I'm having conversations with my dog. I feel very bad. I'm very, very sorry. I'm going to see if I can... No, I don't know where it is. He's dropped it on the floor. It's on the floor, dude. You're just going to have to wait. Oh. Oh, Poochie. My little Poochie. So that's one of the benefits of having this box is being able to build your apothecary, being able to build your Book of Shadows, being able to build your work. There he is here. Come here. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Without it being all over the place. And I feel like that was all over the place. Hi. This Mercury retrograde can like absolutely F off. I'm going to stop this like I had to the other one and fix everything with my dog and come back. So before I continue on, I would like to issue an apology on behalf of this cute little thing. You want to say sorry for interrupting all of my videos today? It's just been one of those days, hasn't it, Pooch? You want to say hi? Hi. Oh. Hello. I'm sorry for interrupting. You want to go? Daughter belly. Oh my gosh, dogs. He is so soft. One of the things that everyone says when they meet Thor is how cute and soft he is. So now he's back. He's happy. I apologize to the witch's moon as well for the interruptions, but I guess that's a witch's life. Like, he's my little familiar. He's going to come and go. And I try to do these videos. I do these videos when my son isn't here, so there's minimum interruptions, but I'm still trying to work everything out with the Pooch. It's only been a month and a half since I've had him home. Back to this beautiful box. So this is the Moon Magic box. This is the artwork. And again, I was mentioning before while I was distracted that it is wonderful when you have a subscription box like this, that you can build your grimoire, build your Book of Shadows, and build your knowledge base every month, like in little bite-sized pieces. So it doesn't feel overwhelming. And this is the lunar phases. So we have a full, it's got a fuck ton of information on here, a full diagram. It's so beautiful. Even all the astrology, the planets, the compass, like everything is on here. It's very, very gorgeous. I feel like these would be really good to add for the witch's runes as well. So you have every waxing gibbous, what it means, the energy, the description, rises, when it rises. It's really beautiful. So that's gorgeous. Okay, what else have we got? Lamnas or Lamas, Lunarsad, bath salt, sacred salts. You can use this for spell work too. Oh yeah, that smells good. There is some chamomile in there, faux show. So we've got okay. Again, I'm going to go through this later, but that's that because it's not on the same page. Okay, we've got our wild lettuce. Ooh, wild lettuce. Our blind eyes and our cara green for our apothecary. Ooh. Every time I look at herbs, it makes me just want to get my witch on so bad. I want to go do all the cliche things. What I used to do when I was a teenager, and I've got to admit, I put on like The Craft or Charmed because I love those shows. One's a show and one is not, but and they just get my witch on. I'm like, even that song, I am the sun. I'm like, did it. I'm like, whenever I hear it, I'm just like, oh, I want to do things in my Book of Shadow. Oh, lovely. So we have this beautiful moon phase. Oh, it says blessings on it. Okay. It was focused on it there for a sec. And then this, there we go. Come on, focus. You can see it? That's so gorgeous. We have this beautiful moon phase necklace. It's so pretty. The dog is about to jump and make noise. I'm putting this on like right now. It is beautiful. Oh, that's stunning. Can sit with my aquamarine. I already feel more like a I'm I'm gonna go through. I got very excited. Ooh, okay. I see a stand. This is a stand. He's now playing the squeaky toy. I surrender to the chaos that is my life. I like how I'm wearing blue today, and even the packaging is blue. And I always reuse this bubble wrap because a girl knows nothing. No, a girl like me who does a lot of wrapping of things always can use more bubble wrap. Oh my stars, this is why it was so heavy this month. We have a sphere. Oh my stars. This beautiful selenite sphere. Okay, oh my gosh, I can't. Avalon, I do not have your grace. I am not a graceful soul. I am a clunky thing. Look at that. That is beautiful. I have on my, ooh, look at that. Fuck yes. I have on one of my altars a god and goddess stone. One is a rainbow calcite for the goddess, and I also have this dravite for the god. This is going to go on my divination altar. It is so beautiful. So fucking spoiled. All right, what else have we got? As if you need more. So lucky. Lunar Aura Spray. Oh, beautiful. So we've got a Lunar Aura Spray. Look at that stunning. Look at the stunning artwork on that. Reminds me very much of Freya or Artemis with that spear. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it and give it a sniff. Oh man, holy crap, what is in this? Holy shit, that is amazing. Doesn't say, but it smells fucking awesome. I can smell eucalyptus and it reminds me of home, which is one of the reasons why I was like, because like eucalyptus for me is just the absolute. So we got incense. More. Oh my gosh. Just when you thought there wasn't any more, there's more. Oh, beautiful. I don't actually have a selenite wand like this. I do now. So I do now. Hi, Pooch. So yeah, beautiful selenite wand, tip wand. Making squeaky noises in the background. Oh man, I don't know what I would do with that little Pooch though. He's just the absolute best. This is stunning, gorgeous, and quite lengthy. They always give you the products that are in the Witch's Moon, the Witch's Bounty, and I'm sure the Witch's Roots, which is the one I don't get because my apothecary is already overfloweth. The quality of what you get is so good. It's so worth it. They don't half-ass it. They don't give you just like any old thing. It's not cheap stuff. It's always so beautifully done and so thoughtful. Okay, the Moon Anointing Oil. I'm going to give this a sniffo. Oh. Is that anise in there? So their oils have always got this, oh, come on. The Moon Anointing Oil. This is what you get when you try to do things during Mercury in retrograde. The Moon Anointing Oil. The Moon Magic Anointing Oil. What could I smell in here? It was anise. Yeah. jasmine, sandalwood, and other stuff. So this is sandalwood ritual rope incense. Cara green is Irish moss, which is a true luck charm. Oh, that's going to go into the Cara green. Can go into my money altar as well. The personalized oracle reading every month, guys. You get me every month. And then we have this big beautiful fat candle. So again, the rolled ones, I don't like taking them out because I feel like it's harder to get them back in. But this is the candles. I've shown you them before. Let me just see if I can like it's a burrito. Burrito candle. See, it's like those beautiful, and they always wrap them. They always smell so good, so I find it really hard to. Here's the spray lid. That's really clever, putting them in separately. That's for the Lunar Aura spray, and you always have to shake them up when you use those. My sprays are my favorite. Okay, so California Blind's Eye, which is California Poppy, aiding your meditations. Place these seeds underneath your rugs and pillows to bring about a calm, attractive energy. So where is did I get them? California Blind's Eye. I don't know if I did. Maybe they couldn't go out of the state, the country. Can't find it. I don't think I got them. But I did get the Cara green. Oh, wait, hang on. Doy, I did. What an idiot. It's called Blind's Eye California Poppy. I did get it. Lama salt. We've created this sacred salt. It's to be used, for your baths, first grain harvest, social gathering, athletes, storytelling, feasting. I'm going to Pagan Pride this year, which is around Lammas. Awesome. For bath, this is a great little tip. If a bath is unavailable, steep your sacred salt in a bowl of warm water and pour it over your body to benefit from the energies. It's great. And we always get this beautiful blank piece of paper to write our stuff on. So the Lunar Blessing Pendant with Chain is nickel free. It's shaped as a crescent moon, inscribed with the phases of the moon to represent supreme power. Affirmation: I carry with me the wisdom of 1,000 lives, supporting and guiding me on my path. Oh, I love that. Oh, the selenite sphere is gorgeous, working with the moon. So it's like what's beautiful about selenite is like you have this little mini moon, right? This is just beautiful. The witch, as I mentioned, the witch's moon do such a great job. I have things everywhere. I deeply apologize if you like an unfractured video where things are very focused. Usually, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I'm a little bit weird. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I'm a little bit like, I let my freak flag fly quite well, but I usually don't have any distractions. I apologize. But as these are first impressions videos, I can't really go back and do them again. Plus, it's life. Life happens. Mercury retrograde happens. These are all beautiful. Oh, yes. Let's see if I was right. Oracle reading, magical spell cards deck by Lucy Cavendish. I was right. To place inside your box. This card in the message resonates that a hold was meant for you. Absolutely it was. Like I said, there's this synchronicity every single month. And this month again, nailed right on the head. I love this. Thank you so much to the Witch's Moon. I'm going to pop a link below, and if you're watching this on Instagram TV, there will be a link as well in the description, or you can always DM me or message me for information. And thank you so much for watching this puppy chaotic video, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.